How to use or how to create YouTube videos fast with InVideo. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll show you guys on how to create videos right here by using InVideo. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts and special promos when you're going to subscribe to InVideo. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So to start off, let's just simply create an AI video right here. And then just simply type in your prompt. So make me a video on how to use InVideo AI for making YouTube videos. And then there you go. Once you're done, you can just simply generate my video right there. And then InVideo AI will now start generating your video. So just wait for it to finish. So there you go. Once it's done, it will now ask you for the duration of the video. So for example, just make it 3 minutes. Platform, TikTok, YouTube Shorts. I'll just make it on YouTube. Media, they have a basic media right here, basic and pro. So I'll just stick with the basic one. And I'll just simply click on generate and then just wait for InVideo to generate your video for you. And then there you go. It's now done generating the video. So what you can do is if you want to edit it, just simply click on edit and download right here. And then you can click on edit right here if you want to edit out the videos, like changing the media, the music, the script, and the settings. So here is the video. So yeah, so there you go. So once you're ready to download it, just simply click on download and then you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So again, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos if you're going to subscribe to InVideo. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.